Let's start with what makes the Nike Air Yeezy 2 Pure Platinum a masterpiece. Released in 2012, this sneaker was the second and final Yeezy silhouette produced under Nike before Kanye West moved to Adidas. It was an instant hit, selling out in minutes and now reselling for insane prices. The design is absolutely next level, featuring a luxurious mix of materials like premium leather, ballistic mesh, and a reptile-like textured side panel, giving it an ultra-premium feel. The midfoot strap gives off a futuristic vibe, while the spiked heel design takes inspiration from Egyptian mythology. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, the glow-in-the-dark sole. That just takes this sneaker into a whole new dimension. Now, let's talk about why this sneaker isn't just about hype, it's also packed with performance and comfort. First off, the cushioned midsole provides incredible support, making it perfect for everyday wear if you dare to rock them outside. The midfoot strap helps secure your foot, so you get a locked-in feel whether you're walking or flexing at a sneaker event. Plus, the padded collar and tongue give extra ankle support, making it one of the most comfortable high-top sneakers out there. And let's not forget, the breathable mesh panels keep your feet cool, making this sneaker as functional as it is stylish. So, why should you own a pair of Nike Air Yeezy 2 Pure Platinum? Simple. It's a piece of sneaker history. This isn't just a shoe, it's a collector's item, a statement piece, and a flex all in one. Whether you're a sneaker investor or a die-hard Kanye fan, having these in your collection instantly puts you in an elite league. The exclusivity of this shoe means it will only appreciate in value, making it a grail for any sneakerhead. Plus, let's be real, if you pull up in these, you're guaranteed to turn heads. If you're looking for high-quality replica sneakers, repsneaker.net is the perfect place to shop. They offer a wide selection of top-tier sneakers from brands like Air Jordan, Balenciaga, Dior, Asics, and more. With their attention to detail and premium craftsmanship, you'll get sneakers that closely resemble the originals at a fraction of the price. Whether you're after limited edition releases or classic designs, repsneaker.net has something for every sneaker enthusiast. We understand that shopping for sneakers online can be tricky, but repsneaker.net is a trusted platform. Don't just take our word for it, you can check their reviews on Trustpilot, where many satisfied customers have shared their experiences. The website is known for fast shipping, great customer service, and high-quality products. So, if you're hesitant about ordering, Trustpilot reviews will give you peace of mind. Now, here's the best part. You can save big on your purchase by using our exclusive discount code, RSNOW. With this code, you'll get 15% off your order. Let's break it down. These sneakers originally cost $239, but with the discount, you'll only pay $203.15. That's a great deal for premium quality kicks. Don't miss this opportunity, use RSNOW at checkout to grab your pair at a discounted price. At repsneaker.net, customer satisfaction is a top priority. Their dedicated support team is always ready to assist you with any questions about sizing, order tracking, or product details. Whether you need help choosing the right sneakers or resolving any concerns, their team is just a message away, ensuring a smooth shopping experience from start to finish. And that's a wrap on today's unboxing of the Nike Air Yeezy 2 Pure Platinum. What do you think about these legendary kicks? Would you rock them or keep them on ice as a collector's piece? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this unboxing, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Rsnow Unbox, and turn on notifications so you never miss a fire sneaker review.